In this quick and very simple video, I want to show you how you can schedule automatic shutdown on your PC Windows 10 Pro. It's very simple. Just like, for instance, maybe you want your computer or your PC to go off at a particular time. How do you do it? Now, to do it, the first step, come here on this start button here, on this search button here, and search for task scheduler. You can see here task scheduler. Tap on it. Now it brings this page here, and on this page here, come here on this create basic task and tap on it. If you tap on it, you can see here. Now come here and put the name of what you want this computer or PC to do. So come here, for instance, and tap shutdown. Let me say I want this PC to shut down at 10 a.m. So I come here and type shutdown at 10 a.m. So after here, you can come here and put a description, but it's optional. So if you put this, come here and tap on this next. Now on this pop-up here, you can see here, you can choose it to be doing daily, weekly, or monthly. But for this video, I'll set on this one time. That's to say it will shut down only once. So I'll come here and tap on this next again. And now on this page here, I'll come here and select the time and date in which I want this computer to go off or to shut down. Since I've selected 10 a.m. already, I'll come on this time here and still set it to be 10 a.m. for instance. So to this day is already 12th of January, so I'll leave it on this date here that I want this computer or this PC to shut down. I'll come here and tap on this next again. I can review the whole thing and come here again and tap on this next. And you can see here in this page here, on this program script here, just come here and tap shutdown. And on this add argument here, you can leave it because it's optional. So after here, just come here and tap on this next again. And right here, you can review the whole thing. You can see I've created a trigger one time at 10 a.m. on this. And the action is that at 10 a.m. this computer will go off or to shut down. Now if I review the whole thing here and it's correct, I'll come here and tap on this finish. So right now you can see that I've created a trigger. So what it means that by 10 a.m. today, this PC will shut down. And now to see your trigger or the action or what you just did, now you come here on this active task here and tap on it. That's to say I want to see the active task that I've scheduled or I've scheduled. Now tap on this active task here. All here are the tasks that have been scheduled on this PC. So on this Microsoft Edge update task users here, come here and tap on it. Now if you double tap on it, you can see here is the task I just enabled, shutdown at 10 a.m. So come here and tap on it to open it. If I tap on it, you can see here's the task. The name of the task is shutdown at 10 a.m. If I come and tap on this action, on these triggers here, you can see here are the details. The status here is enabled, and the time here is one time, and to shut down at 10 a.m. on today, 12th of January 2025. You can come here and tap on this action. You can see the action is that this PC will shut down at 10 a.m. today. So that's how you can actually schedule your PC to go off at a particular time. Now this tip was impactful, guys. Please make sure you click like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.